This 500 bucks gaming PC can play Apex Legends at 240 FPS, Warzone at 240 FPS, and Fortnite at over 360 FPS. And you're probably thinking I'm lying, but I'm gonna give you the blueprint to build the exact same computer for yourself. So with that said, welcome back at ImWateringPSUs in the land of washing PC parts, and let's get started. Now, something I need to tell you as an introduction is I build and sell computers for a living. Okay, it's also what I've been trying to teach you guys for free on the channel. I started like a course, but it's free, where I show you how I make money, basically selling computers. So I've been doing this for a long time and I do get the best deals possible. However, again, I'm telling you guys how I get them. So if you may think some prices are low, okay, it's just because I lowball people every day. Vinted lowballing, Facebook Marketplace lowballing every day. It's what I do, okay? With that said, most PC parts here you can actually buy brand new with a slight premium. So you can still put it together for very close to 500 bucks with a slight premium. Also, market differences. So I'm Italian. You can see it because I move my hands when I speak, okay? And basically, this is 500 euros in Italy. So if you're in the US, you may pay it a little bit less, actually, if you're smart about it. But you also, maybe you're from, I don't know, South America, you pay a little bit more for it. I don't know. So with that introduction out of the way, I have no business just telling you fake prices. And I will also leave links down below for what you can buy. Let's actually see what's in there. At the core of this build, there is a laptop adapted CPU, adapted in China to desktop, with a Chinese motherboard, which is definitely too cheap to run this thing, but surprisingly runs it very well. And we have some $3 adapters to adapt some laptop RAM, which I bought for 10 bucks, to desktop. Okay, and this is how we get this thing for so cheap. Then I lowballed someone for a single fan RTX 4060 on Facebook Marketplace. I bought it for 100 bucks because it was really bad. I spent 30 minutes repasting it. I washed it down with water like I do on the channel usually. And now the PC looks like this. So how can you copy it? Very simple, very easy. And also, why should you copy it? Well, those laptop CPUs are great. Now, laptop and motherboard I have reviewed separately on the channel, so you may want to check them out if you want to buy them, but they are readily available. I will leave the links down below in the description, and you can buy them on Aliexpress. To pay the prices I paid, you need to buy them with coupons. Aliexpress is not like Amazon. It's not like you go there, you buy stuff. If you do that, cool, but you're leaving money on the table. So what you want to do is you go on Aliexpress, you put things in the cart, and then you wait. You want to wait for coupons to pop up. Now, I don't know when they're popping up, but usually in 2 weeks' time, they're going to pop up. So you want to collect those, collect the coins that they let you collect, download the app, play around with it like you should. You're going to get around 20 to 30% discount. With that said, you can get from Aliexpress CPU, i7-13H50HX is what I'm using, but really any laptop adapted CPU from 13th gen is going to be the same for gaming. This is just better for multi-thread, but if you're not streaming, you don't care. So whatever CPU from 13th gen you can find is fine. Motherboard and the adapter for the RAM, you can buy all three for under 200 bucks. Okay, this makes your build pretty much, because then I paid 100 bucks for the GPU, but even if you pay 150, 200 even, you can still get the rest of the build for around 150 bucks and make it for under 500, okay? I actually paid less than 500 for this build. I paid like 460 something, but 500 is easier to say. So with that said, you want to buy those three components on AliExpress, and then you want to start looking for laptop RAM. Now I have 6 gigabytes of RAM because it's a tough period. If you watch this in the future, just buy DDR4, no adapters, just buy it for like 30 bucks. But nowadays you have to go in your local marketplace and just search for laptop RAM. And as you can see, I have 2 different sticks because I bought them from 2 different people for 5 bucks each, because who really needs 8 gigabytes of laptop RAM? Come on. And so they're selling it, just desperate. Just look for the old ads so you can lowball them more, Just buy the RAM. Now the SSD is tricky. This I bought on Amazon. You can search for it if you want. It's a BWin unit. I don't know what this is. It's just on Amazon. Sometimes they make like time offers where they put 1 terabyte drive. This is a slow drive. It's Gen 3, 3500 megahertz, but I paid 40 bucks for it. And they also give a cool screwdriver with it. It's just a matter of waiting. Like for the SSD, don't bother with AliExpress. I'd say probably Amazon is your best choice. You can also just lowball people again. It's my favorite activity, but it's also better to buy brand new drives. Just try to get it on Amazon for cheap. Then, to cool the actual CPU, I reviewed a $10 cooler on the channel from Aliexpress. It's a Metalfish ZH1400, which you can buy again for $10. But for $30, you can buy all-in-one nowadays, because the all-in-one market is trash, like it's destroyed, like thermal right is destroying everyone. So I would just buy an all-in-one water cooler, so you can also unlock power limit on your CPU and get like 50% more performance for free in 10 minutes. You know, it's just what I would do, but up to you, no pressure. So I got this one. It also makes the PC look professional. If I had a small tower cooler, you probably would think this is a terrible build, but now it looks almost insane. I would buy that. And then you're probably wondering, yo, you had such a cool case. Well, it's a used case from MSI, and it's the MSI Forge M100R. Don't buy an MSI case. There's no point, they're overpriced. This one was used on Amazon Warehouse Deals, or Amazon Secondhand, how it's called today. So I just bought it for like $30, but there are plenty. Wait, let me peel off the case live. Perfect. Anyways, there are plenty of cheap cases if you buy no brand stuff. The case doesn't really matter, because we have a build here that doesn't draw any power at all, like zero power. Okay, the whole build draws at the watt meter at the wall 200 watts under full load. Just buy whatever aquarium-like case, cheap case you can find. You can also build a PC on a box if you're really strapped for cash and you want to save the extra 30 to $40. GPU, okay, just I would say 4060 is good if you want to sell it. If it's for yourself, I would say buy like a 3060 or a 3070. They are cheaper. 3000 series is very cheap. So I would get one of those, and don't spend more than $150. Like it's all harder. But if you buy a 4060, the positive is that since it draws so little power, you don't care about the case, and you can also buy the worst PSU you can find. So this I bought brand new on Amazon for $30, and it says it has Japanese capacitors. I really don't believe it. Like maybe they were made in Japan, but this is a terrible PSU. It's a Tachen's Anima AP3750, like really bad unit. Like it came in with the broken power cable, and you know, there's terrible unit, but we just need 200 watts. They declare 750, it's probably 300, but it's plenty, okay? And that's how you do a build in the big 2026 for cheap. And this is easy to copy. You can literally build 10 of those for under $500 if you do a bit of economy of scale. You sell them properly, like I show in my guides. You can make probably $300 profit each. You know, it's easy money. You can do this all day, every day. Or you can just enjoy a cheap PC, you know, for yourself and not contribute to the actual speculation going on in the market, which I think is morally better as a choice. What's also very good morally is subscribing to this channel, because I help you guys, you know. I come here with those builds, I tell you all my secrets. I keep none for myself because I believe in YouTube more than in PC flipping. So if you want to drop a like, subscribe, you know, you can support me. And I will, of course, show you all the benchmarks for this build. Just a quick 5-stack here. You know, just enjoy how high the score is. Quick CPU-Z score over there. And I told you the gaming numbers in the beginning, so you can trust me on those. And with that said, if you guys have any advice for me, also drop a comment down below. And if not, see you guys in the next one. Have a good day.